We are hearing from many of you at home wondering if other people could possibly face charges.
One email to 7 News focused on the parents of these alleged shooters. Dawn asked, quote, why not start charging parents? They are responsible for their teenage children.
And she's not the only voice weighing in. It was a big topic. Perhaps you saw it this morning on Good Morning Buffalo today. Take a look.
Well, and so Shirley says so many parents don't discipline their kids. But Shirley, I guess this is kind of where I would double down with you. And I would ask once again, do you feel that parents should be held responsible then? If they're not disciplining their kids and we see this as an outcome, what should happen to those parents?
Mm-hmm. And then how far does that extend?
Right.
Because it might not just be gun violence. We see so many people with opioids and different decisions and things that, stealing related, how they say, how far do you extend that? We're going to hold a parent accountable.
Right.
It's a really interesting conversation that you could take a lot of different ways.
And I did keep that conversation going with an expert voice in Western New York. I asked the former Erie County District Attorney, can parents be charged when their kids are involved in gun-related crimes?
Well, in order to charge, not only a parent, but, anyone as some kind of accomplice, you have to have proof that that individual played a role in the actual crime here. So, I know that there was a lot of talk about this, due to a Michigan case that happened a few months ago where a parents got charged with, manslaughter.
Former District Attorney John Flynn referring to a case in April when the parents of a school shooter in Michigan became the first parents to be held criminally responsible for a mass shooting committed by their child.
That was a very unusual case. Here in New York, it's very difficult. I've never seen it at all, quite frankly, in my time as DA. I've never seen it all in New York.
The Michigan parents, Jennifer and James Crumbly, were found guilty of involuntary manslaughter after prosecutors presented evidence that they bought their son a gun days before he killed 4 people and ignored numerous warning signs.
We really would have to show that the parents actually gave the kids the guns. That they provided, the ammunition for them and the weapons for them and actually played a pivotal role, in the actual crime.
Here in Buffalo, 2 teenagers, 14 and 16-year-olds, were arrested Tuesday, charged in the shooting death of 3-year-old Ramon Carter. I spoke with Flynn about that case.
There's no way to charge the parents here, absent some proof that they were somehow accomplices to the crime.
Do you see that ever changing?
Probably not. I mean, it'd be very difficult to do. And it would open up a Pandora's box.